say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
Oh yeah. Oh baby. The time you all will be seeing this, it will be Willy Wednesday, baby. That is tomorrow. Or yeah, that's tomorrow. Had to make sure. I don't really keep up with the days of the week, man. I really don't. I'm bad about that. I'm like, oh man, it's Friday, hell yeah. When somebody says it at work or something. Yeah, buddy. Bro, you could haul around that turn. Damn, I missed my shifter. I don't know what I hit, but it was not my shifter. Maybe my kickstand down there? I must have been real low down there, huh? Thought my shifter was straight down, boys. That's no bueno. Let's see if the mic's still. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I mean, I'm not really hauling butt or nothing. We're gonna get on the interstate and give it a little try too, real quick on the way back. I'm gonna hit that I-75 spot. You feel? 75. I can't drive 55. I gotta do 75 right there. You seen it? Oh yeah, baby. My dream is to just have a real nice garage, man. I want a real nice garage. I don't even care how big the house is, bro. I mean, I want a decent house, you know what I mean? I don't want no, like, crap house. Or trap house, for that matter. I want, like, an okay-sized house. But I want a fat garage with all the tools, baby. The lifts, bike lifts, car lifts, all of it. That's the dream for me. And then all kinds of bikes. You already know that, though. I ain't even got to tell you. I ain't even got to tell you. There's some real nice twisties out there, but look at this. See this big bump right here? I don't know if you can see it. Foop. It goes foop. That could cause you to go way over there, bro. If you go flying, it would be no bueno. That's why I'm cruising, bro, where I've never been on them. You guys see how the road actually is. And what spots that you should probably slow down in. There can't nobody beat Tupac, baby. I've done told you that. Don't even got to tell you again. I'm in such a high gear. I'm in 6th freaking gear, bro. Are you serious? That's why we was cruising, boys. Bro, I got the urge the other day to start reading this book that I read in middle school. It's called The Giver. I think there's also a movie about it. If you've never seen it or read it, bro, I highly recommend. For some reason it popped into my head the other day. And I was like, man, I'm gonna read that again. So I went and bought it on the Google Play Books, baby. And I don't ever even read. That ain't even like me. You know what I mean? It just popped in my head and I was like, man, I want to read that book again. I was gonna change the spark plugs this weekend. I'm probably also gonna clean the air filter at the same time. You know, while I'm in there, might as well. Always do that, man. If there's something like maintenance like that that you can do while you're already in there, go on and do it. Always, always, always. It'll save you the time later. Because I know, as well as you know, it takes a little bit to take the whole top of the bike apart. Like, it's not going to come right apart. Not within 20 minutes. Not like it would for a car. You can do that in like 5, bro, if even. You don't even need 5.
Paused.
Well, that would have been bad, huh? Baby. You're gonna see if it stays plugged in over here on the freeway. I think it might have just been unplugged. That's not good. You know how we gotta enter the highway, baby. Don't you know? There's only one way to enter the interstate. And that's on one wheel, baby. One wheel wonder, baby. That's what they need to be. That's how you enter the interstate. That's the only way to enter the interstate too. Don't you ever mistake that. Oh, the wind is strong with this one. Shush, my boy. Oh yeah. Those are some nice roads, bro. What do y'all think about those roads? Let me know. I will keep going one day. But right now, I gotta get home and get in bed right now. Y'all feel me? I gotta be at work and up for work in literally like 5 hours, man. That's crazy. No bueno. think it's still plugged in so far, so I mean that's good. Well, you got to be kidding me. One of my speakers in my helmet ain't working. Ah, it can't unplug, I bet. Damn. Damn. No, they just moved. That's what it was. They've moved. I gotta move them, boys. Yeah, they moved back whenever I adjusted all my stuff in my helmet, I bet.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.